Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I don't know why the city has decided to backhoe dirt into a dump truck right outside my window, but I'm just going to speak louder and then hopefully I can take the construction noise out as I'm editing and you won't even notice anything is happening at all. So today we are going to have some fun. I received my Boxycharm box. I was actually happy with how early this got here. I'm filming this on the 14th. It arrived on the 14th, posting it on the 14th. It should all be good. We're having a postal strike right now in Canada. It's sort of rotating strike, so it doesn't affect us too much, but I did think this was going to be more delayed than this, so hooray for this getting here in a timely way. I have not been spoiled on anything in this box, and yeah, I'm excited, once I get the scissors going here, to see what we got. So, okay, here's our little card. Have you heard about BoxyLuxe? I have, and I signed up for the December one. So we will see. You get to choose an item from there, which I'm not so thrilled about that I kind of know what's coming as one of the items, but we'll worry about that when we get to December. Okay, this month's theme is Gold Digger. I'm gonna try not to look. It looks like they pictured some of the items there. Okay, I feel like there's some brushes, so let's look at those first. Okay, a little set of Luxie brushes. We get a lot of Luxie brushes in Boxycharm. This is synthetic handcrafted brushes. They seem to be sort of a fancy gold set. Let me just get this open. So there are 4 little brushes in this set with the gold handles, which are pretty smooth feeling considering there's glitter on there. These seem to be nice little detailing brushes. I don't have a lot of brushes that small, so these will actually be fun to play with. Let's see what they say they are for. There is a 131 mini angled brush, a 121 mini tapered brush, a 141 mini round brush, and a 111 mini flat angled brush. Okay, so these are actually going to be really good to add to my brushes because I will get use out of them. They are somewhat new in my collection. Now what I thought I would do in this Boxycharm unboxing as well is try to make an educated guess as to the prices of these items and then see how close I am. So I'm going to say that this is like a $35 set. It doesn't feel like the most quality. I know Luxie brushes, I actually quite like them, but you know, they're not expensive brushes. So I'm gonna go with maybe 35 and we'll check out all those prices at the end. The next thing I'm going to grab is there is something flat. What is this? Okay, it is a tweezer set, a set of 2 tweezers or something very odd looking. This is a farahbrushes.com tweezer set, I guess. It says, "Be beautiful, be you." I do have a set of tweezers. I don't feel like I need more, but you know, I guess I will get use out of them. Looks like I have to cut these open, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, these are odd and a little dangerous looking. So basically on one side of these, you've got the like flat top tweezers like I would use for plucking my eyebrows. And then on the other side, you can see it's sort of a Z shape there. There are the really pointed ones. I don't know what you use those for. I never use tweezers that have that edge on it. Okay, so I don't know, they're tweezers, let's say 20 bucks, 15 bucks maybe. I don't mind having these. The only thing that I find for brushes and something like this is I'm not able to really review it because it's not exciting to do reviews on, which is why I prefer getting stuff like makeup or skincare in these boxes. Maybe I can put that one in my car because I always notice little stray hairs I want to tweeze when I'm sitting in my car. The next item, I'll go for this sort of heavier box. What is this? I was gonna say, it looks like a Cover FX. Ooh, glitter drops from Cover FX. The 19-year-old in me is super excited about glitter drops, and I love Cover FX as a brand. So these weightless drops of ultrafine glitter can be used anywhere you want a lustrous glow. Clinically tested, paraben, fragrance, gluten, mineral oil, and talc free, and vegan. To customize your finish, shake well and add desired amount of drops to any product or directly on the skin. This seems to be in the shade Nova. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's super pretty. Oh, you're not going to be able to see where I put it. But that is really pretty. Okay, let me put some on my hand and then I'll get into focus. That's actually a lot more subtle than I thought it was going to be, considering it's called glitter drops. So there it is, just putting it on. And there we go. Like, oh, look at that. Like, there is definitely micro shimmer in there, but there's also a really nice highlight. It almost looks like hollow micro shimmer in sort of very gold base, and that actually feels like really nice and hydrating as well. It's not rough in any way, and ooh, that adds a lot of micro shimmer, which is awesome. Okay, I am excited about that. I'm gonna say that's like a $22 item. I'm guessing in American prices. Here in Canada, that would be like a $30 to $35 item. Okay, that made me much more excited. What else we got? I feel like there's a palette kind of thing, so I'm gonna leave that till last. Okay, a Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. I've never heard of this brand. It's from the US. Spray directly onto brush hairs and gently wipe on a paper towel. Use sparingly as not to soak. So basically it's something to clean your brushes between uses until you do a deep cleaning. I actually don't have anything like this. I always clean my brushes just by swirling on soap and then cleaning them out from there. So I'm excited to have this and try it out and see how it works for actually cleaning brushes in a quick way. Okay, useful. There seems to be a lot of like staple tools in this box, which is kind of fun. And now, whatever this palette is. Oh, I didn't guess about, I'm gonna say the makeup cleanser is maybe 10 bucks. Okay, this is from Ace Beauty, and they've decided to try to make it look French. Ace Beauty. It's a really pretty package. It's called the Grandiose Palette. Let's see together what this looks like. Ooh, okay. I've never heard of this company before. In looking at this, I mean, I definitely have colors like this like in my makeup already, but I have a lot of makeup. But these ones in particular, these two right here, the Rosé and Clove, are really pretty. Okay, those feel super soft and nice. So yes. Ooh, those swatch very nicely too, which I know isn't the be all and end all. But those look like they might, you know, blend nicely and still keep their color, which is awesome. Okay, I am super excited about this, having not ever heard of this company before, and also getting a palette is always fun. So the Grandiose palette features 8 beautiful colors that's sure to make every eye look stunning. They are cruelty-free. Okay. I will definitely be doing a review on that. Considering it's not a brand I've heard of before, I'm gonna price this in around $22. Now I'm gonna have to remember what all the prices were I said as we go, because I don't know that I do. So let's look at the prices. It probably goes without saying, I am definitely most excited about these two products, the palette and the cover effects. The makeup is always the most fun. So these glitter drops, which I think I said were about $22. Oh, okay, they are actually $44. I was way off on that one. Ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. That's really nice. You can put it into your moisturizer, into your foundation, or just directly onto your face and body. The Grandiose palette, I think I also put in at like $22. Okay, this is basically $24.99, featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new Grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. I'm actually really excited about giving this a try. These, I think I said at 35 because I was saying like maybe 10 bucks a brush, but then rounding down a little bit. But these are actually 21, so that makes sense. Luxie is a pretty affordable brand for brushes. They've always worked really well for me, and I'm looking forward to using these with that palette. The tweezers, which is probably the one that I'm least excited about because I already have tweezers, didn't need new ones. These are the Galaxy Gold tweezers, and they are 12 bucks, so pretty inexpensive, which is good. And finally, the brush cleaner spray, which I said was maybe around 10 bucks, is 12 bucks, so I was pretty close. It basically cleans and disinfects your brushes, made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. Okay, so that is my box for this month. If I was sort of ranking in terms of most excited, I would say glitter drops, palette, brush cleaner, brushes, and then tweezers. I am definitely going to be doing a review on the Cover FX drops and the makeup palette, maybe even the cleanser. Maybe we'll test it out together and sort of see, does it actually get the brushes clean or not? But let me know what you would like to see reviews on. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm. Let me know all of that in the comments down below because I love hearing from you guys. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Make my face pop up there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.